gonna sing Fergie. The smell of your skin lingers on me now. You're probably on your flight back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby. Be with myself and center, clarity, peace, serenity. Yeah. I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. It's personal, myself, and I got some straighting out to do. And I'm gonna miss you like a child miss that blanket, but I'd like to get a move on with my life. It's time to be a big girl now. Big girls don't cry like a little schoolmate in a schoolyard. We're playing Jackson in cars. I'll be your best friend and you'll be my Valentine. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to, 'cause I wanna hold yours too. We'll be playmates and lovers and share our secret words. But it's... Oh.
Come on! Stop it. Mine wasn't working at first.
How do you stop?